Did you know that yawning isn't just about being tired? It's actually your body's way of cooling down your brain. When you yawn, your mouth opens wide and you take in a deep breath, which helps bring cool air into your body. This cool air helps reduce the temperature of your brain, keeping it at an optimal level for focus and performance. Yawning can also be contagious. Seeing or hearing someone yawn can make you yawn too, and scientists think this may be a way to bond or synchronize with others. So, next time you yawn, remember, it's your brain's way of staying sharp. Follow for more cool facts.